Right. Hello, this is from Vijayakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, SNS College of Engineering. Today I am taking another one topic of crystal physics, the diamond structure. So the diamond is one of the material to the form of hard nature. It's a form of carbon atoms. So before we discuss this topic, we think there's some additional questions. What is the crystal structure? Define Miller indices and its related to Bravis lattice. Define unit cell of a crystal structure. Give the characteristics of crystal structures. So the diamond lattice structure is a form of carbon atom. It consists of two interpolating face center cubic Bravis lattice displaced along the body diagonal of the cubical cell by 1/4 the length of the diagonals. So this is a special case we form in that crystal structure. The silicon, germanium, carbon and tellurium possess this structure, which is a combination of two interpolating phase sublattice structure. The sublattice has its origin at 0, 0 and the other at a point the way along the body diagonal is a by 4, a by 4, a by 4. That means the side become formed in the 4 at a point of diagonals. So the structure is loosely packed structure since each atom has only 4 nearest neighboring atoms. So the number of atom per unit cell, we discussed to the 3 types of atom. One is in a carbon atom, that means in a corner atom, the face center atom, the 4 atom present inside the unit cells. So the corner is becomes a 1. Then second one, the face center is a 2 and the atom inside that the 4. So we get 1, 3, 4, it's 8 atoms. The next one is an atomic radius. The atomic radius is forms of mathematical derivation to taken from the diagonals wise. So the diagonals, it's a form of atomic radius r equal to root 3 a by 8. Then coordination, it's a only form in a corner atom, and diagonals it's separately to the form of coordination. Then finally we form in that APF. The APF is in a small v by capital V is a formula of finding of APF. So the capital V is a volume of the unit cell. It's a cube because we taken a cubical structure. The small v, it become the number of atom per unit cell into volume of the unit cell. So the volume of the unit cell is same 4 by 3 pi r cube. The number of atom per unit cell is becomes 8. So the radius become change of root 3 by 8 into a. So this is all the values to substitute from the formula of small v by capital V. We get in a 34%. So the 34% of atom is occupied in a lattice, then another 66 is an unoccupied. So we call it in a loosely packed atom structure to the form of this structure. So the question we discussed from this first, what is crystal structure? The crystal structure, the atom is arranged in a perfect manner in a periodic nature in a lattice form, that is called as a crystal structure. It's a unique formation. Then define Miller indices and it's related to Bravis lattice. So the Miller indices is a very important parameter to finding of the crystal structure and also to finding of Bravis lattice, 14 types of Bravis lattice. Then the unit cell is a fundamental system of crystal structure. Then the last one, the characteristics of crystal structure is a 4, it based on the unit cells. So this is all to be related to the form of the unit cell, then the other, the atom structure in a crystal form. So we discussed a lot of term in a crystal structure, and finally we discussed in diamond structure. I'm asked one question for you to think about this. We know that the diamond is in a very strong nature. but we discuss in why it become atom is packed in loosely to the form of structures. Think and answer it. Thank you very much. We discuss in the another one.